It was a picture worth 1,000 words. A federal worker bragging on Instagram, quote, "my office for the next hour," showing himself teleworking in the tub. The employee, a team leader in scheduling appointments for the Atlanta Veterans Administration, which has some of the worst wait times in the country.
One veteran in the midst of a mental health crisis called 10 times over a 3-month period and could not get the care she needed.
We caught up with Senator Joni Ernst in her Capitol Hill office, where she showed us her naughty list of government agencies with the lowest rates of in-office workers.
Top of the naughty list, we have Housing and Urban Development and the Social Security Administration.
The Social Security Administration recently came under fire for $23 billion in overpayments, with average wait times for callers of 36 minutes. In 2013, it was just 10 minutes.
So we have seniors and people waiting on disability work to be done by the Social Security Administration, and they're not answering their calls.
You go down the list here and you've got, the Department of Defense at 25%, Department of Homeland Security at 31%. Right. That is still not even 50% of the workforce in the building making these huge decisions.
When it comes to national security, we need people that are able to collaborate together, and that does not happen.
Senator Ernst says government workers have called her office to complain about the lack of productivity, more than 7 months after the COVID public health emergency officially ended, calling the millions in tax dollars spent to pay for empty offices a waste.
We need these folks to come back and occupy these buildings here in Washington, D.C., so that we have proper oversight of those workers, or we need to sell off all of this unused office space.
I'm Christine Frizzell reporting.